Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can sort by color in your tables and sheets on LibreOffice Calculator. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your table. I will go with that example table here, and as you can see in that column here, these cells may contain different background color, and I would like to sort these by color. To do that, select the given column or the set of cells with the given data. After that, navigate to the Auto Filter tab here at the top, click into it or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+L, confirm, and here you will see that drop-down menu. So select it or click into it, and after that choose Sort by Color, and you may also filter by color if you like. I will go with Sort by Color and sort, for example, by green, red or purple, and then yellow, and you can use, for example, also other options. Start with yellow and sort using that option. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.